about Calcutta and how
Hmm.
it's very similar to Bangladeshi culture. But what are some things about the culture that you would want people to know that they may not be aware of?
So basically, our culture is very festive. Okay, which of course the entire, I think, Indian subcontinent, we're very festive. We just need a reason to celebrate. So there is something called Poila Falgun, Poila Falgun, and Boshanto Utsav. This is the first day of spring. So everybody, the entire country, they're wearing yellow, orange, or red. These are the colors which symbolizes spring.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and it looks amazing because when you're out in the streets, from the child to the oldest man, they're wearing this color. It's so color coordinated. Um, so I think that's very unique. And then there's something that's very special in Bengal. It's that we really have a lot of peace between religions. So the Muslims and the Hindus, these two are the larger religious sects in Bengal. The Christians are a smaller sect, and there's a lot of peace between them. So during the Eid, I've seen Hindu Bengalis celebrating Eid with us, exchanging gifts, wearing new clothes. During Durga Puja, the tradition of Durga Puja is to wear white sari with a red border.
Oh.
Yeah, Durga Puja. So the entire country will be selling these saris, and both like a lot of non-Hindu people will also be buying the saris and wearing it and respecting this occasion.
Yeah.
And it's also a government holiday. See, like in Bengal, they give government holidays for Christmas, for Eid, for Durga Puja, for the um, Hanukkah. Yeah, so they try to, as much as possible, keep keep equality between different religions. So that's kind of cool. Other than that, there's something called Nobonno Utsav. Nobonno Utsav is very cool. It's done mostly in the farming locality. So the farmers, the day they harvest their wheat,
Hmm.
they hold a big celebration. They come home with all their harvest and they invite their neighbors, their friends. There will be a small mela. We call it a mela.
Hmm.
In English, it's called fair. So there will be a small fair where children will play, they'll buy things. They'll be selling pitha. Pitha is a special type of food,
Hmm.
Bengali food. Um,
What is it?
it Pitha is kind of like a sweet, but it's not too sweet, and it's made with rice flour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there's pitha, they'll have these little games. So that's Nabonno Utsav. So a lot of our Utshav means celebration. A
Mm.
lot of our Utsav revolves around harvesting and farming because it's mostly an agricultural landscape.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So these two, I think, are very special. Other than that, some of our landscapes are very special, which is like the Sundarban. Sundarban it's a mangrove forest.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the home of the Royal Bengal tigers.
Oh.
And this mangrove forest is the largest continuous span of mangrove forest. Like usually mangrove forests, they're in small sectors. It's not a continuum, but this is like the largest continuum of mangrove forest.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it's so big. See, this is the thing. I don't know why this partition happened. It starts from Kolkata,
Uh-huh.
um, so I guess West Bengal, you could say. It starts from there and it ends in Bangladesh. So this whole forest is spanning this entire region, and in between there's like a break.
Wow. I'm still looking at the map, by the way. So, but yeah, I see because you have that river delta there. So that,
Yes, the Bay of Bengal is right there.
yeah, it's like, it looks like it's like a really fertile area. So it
It is.
because you have the wait, what river is this? The Padma?